Let's talk about this a little bit further now. We got the cut-in box. If I put that over there, how, like I say, are we going to go through there? Now I just want you to imagine, I'm going to put this box in here somewhere, okay? Now, I've got a paddle bit here. Once I cut that hole out, I could maybe fit this paddle bit in through the back onto a drill and to go through this stud. Okay? Right through there. So if I drill that, that means my box would still have to be pretty close. Ah, but what's this Joe's got? You see that? That's a little extension piece. And I can fit that in here, I think. How's that going to work? Pretty sure I can fit that in.